So here we are, day two. What we've accomplished so far is we ran all the wire, and what we're going to do is we're separating the network. So this right here, this bundle right here, that's not secure. I just had to separate it. So we're basically just making two bundles, and as you can see, everything is supported on J hooks up there. Yes, we're getting to this. I'm just using that as a separator bar, but as you can see, we're gonna have everything on J hooks up there, and there's one or two cables that's out there. But this is we're separating the bandwidth. So one bundle is going to be VoIP, and the other network. So we're about to install the rack. We've already just installed, drilled out holes in there, and it's great to have two. What are they called? Hammer drills. So as you can see, we're cutting back a lot. We're going ahead and removing the older wiring. We're dropping them, and we're just going through the different offices. And of course, he won't like it that I'm videotaping him, but he's going ahead and jacking. So we all have, this is pretty much what's going to go on. We're going to fix that, and we actually had a problem. There was on that particular one, so that's a bad one to show, but those things happen. So one thing on this project though, right away you can see is paint damage, because they had those telephone boxes. So we took a knife and we tried to scrape it off, but it just didn't work out, so they're gonna have to touch up. But that's basically going to be what we have. They requested white is generally on top. So, but this, for example, is 1 and 1B, but usually in most places, white is on top, voice. So, and then we're following the blueprints. So again, second day, we have one of our WAP units already fired up, ready to go, well, tested. So let's take a look at the other portions. Again, we're cleaning up, going through all this. This is just a typical small office. And of course, we run all the vacuums. We're dropping a couple more wires down here. Frank loves these walls because there's huge studs in there. So we're just going to go ahead and get the rest of them dropped. Frank, any problems with this room?
Not on this side.
Not on that side, that's good. This is their old Demarc. We're going to take away some of their analog stuff eventually. We're putting in walls. Telephones. We're gonna go in the back. One more guy is back here. Oh, there he is. He's going ahead and dropping in the jacks. Any problems with the walls?
Everything's perfect.
Yeah, what a liar. So those walls were a little bit difficult. A lot of insulation and old copper piping. So we'll show you the completed thing when it's done. So this is the last end of the video. We're just closing it out. Everything's all done, tested, ran cabling certs today, certified everything. So we have a 2-post, bolted it down to the ground. We also have for security ladder rack, which is secure. We have a nice 2 bundles. We separated, every zone has a drop, 2 drops. So one is VoIP and one is data. So we did a nice job with the punch downs on here. This is what I like to see. I don't like to see anything sticking out. And it's very easy to work with. It's bundled up together, so it's very easy if you have to service it. Now, if Bridge Cable's doing it, you don't have to service anything. It's 100% guaranteed that it's up and running. And we also include the data report. So again, this is computer data. And as I'm standing on my tippy toes, we have 3 WAP locations at these 3 ports. When we walk out of here, we always include, and hopefully you can't lose that, a diagram. So you can see that we have WAPs 1, 2, and 3 recorded on there. These are just 2Us, cable management. Hopefully everybody tries to keep it nice and tidy. So we have the patch panel, the 2U, and then this is where the switches would go. We always include extra parts, try to be courteous. We have rack screws, wire ties, cable management. as well with the patch panels. We have 3-footers and I think 5 or 6-footers. So the longer ones, we usually suggest that you use them at the end locations. So again, this is your computer. This is VoIP. Everything has been tested, certified. One thing I want to notice is we included this. This is a 2U cable management as well. Later down the road, you can always remove that if you need even more space. And right now you can just utilize that space for more cable management. So that's it for this site. It's all been certified. I'll get that in a second. So very excited. Wishing Jordan and her team the best of luck in this new office. And very excited to be working with Jonathan and David on this project. So thanks everybody for the opportunity. And looking forward to the next one. Thanks for watching.